we're gonna work into the upper part of the back, not quite the neck, upper part of the back with the pso-neck. We can also play around with it, go in both directions. I'm gonna start with this direction first because we have the peak that's lower here. So we're gonna be working really on these 4 peaks. We can also use that yoga block to help support our head if it feels like it's too aggressive. Same thing, now I'm going to be about 2 feet to be able to really get into this upper part of my back. And see, I'm not quite in my neck, and the yoga block's just a little bit too high, but it's not bad right now. I can just stay right here and just kind of work into this area. If I want to bring it down a little bit lower, now that feels, for me, this feels nice and comfortable. And I'm actually gonna have to lift my hips up to get even more pressure into that area. And now I'm just kind of just shifting my hips side to side. Give myself a hug. I can do little circles, work my way up and down. I could do really big, deep breaths, or I can just nice and calm, shifting side to side. Playing around where your hips are at, that can be really helpful. Having the yoga block's really nice because if I don't have it there, then my head's really draping over. It can be a nice stress on your neck, or it can make you kind of strain, we don't want to strain your neck. So make sure you grab that, oh, where'd it go? Make sure you grab that yoga block to help put it right there, and then just shift it. This can feel really good. Give this a go. Oh, I'm just gonna stay here for a little bit. We'll see you in the next video.